Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this up&up SPF 50 Sport Sunscreen Lip Balm. So this is from Target's brand, up&up. I was really sad because I thought they discontinued this, but it looks like they just came back with it with another type of branding, new packaging and all that. So this is actually my favorite sunscreen, or lip balm sunscreen. Check it out, see if anything changed on the product. 2-pack, nice minimalist packaging. Nice, colorful packaging. Alright, let's try it out. Wow, it does look like similar formula. Let me try it on. Yeah, does feel like similar formula as the previous one. I like it. I think there's always just a little bit of residue for a new one up top, but once you wipe it off, I do like this one. So yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comment section below. Hope you are doing well and catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.